For this video, I am going to teach you how you can add Google Analytics in WordPress. So first things first, what you need to do is head over to analytics.google.com and then just log in with your Google account. And after that, on your home screen, just go to the admin section. So you can do that by clicking the gear icon, which is located on the bottom left corner of your screen. And then on this page right here, just click this create a button and select account from the drop down menu. For this part, you just need to fill in all of the required information. So first, for the account creation, you need to type right here your account name. So this is basically your business name, and on the section right here you can just go with the default checked information and hit the next button. Next is the property creation. So you can use the same name as your account name. So just don't worry about that. And then this is where you can set your reporting time zone and even the currency. Now for the next part, you just need to choose whatever information fits with the description of your business. I'm going with the other business activity and small. Then next. So for this section right here, this is where you can choose the objectives for your business. So I'm going to choose get baseline reports and then hit create, accept it, and hit accept button. And then now your property or your account is being created on Google Analytics. Now for this process, you need to choose a platform where you want to collect your data. So you can choose web, Android app, and an iOS app. So I'm going to select for a web. And for this part, this is where you need to copy and paste or type in the link of your website if you're using a website. So for this one, just going to paste the link for my website. And just make sure also to type right here your stream name. So as you can see on the section right here, this is the day that they will start measuring for you. So you have the page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and for more. So we have site search, video engagement, file downloads, and forum interactions. Now just hit this create and continue button, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen. And for the last part, what you need to do, you need to follow the installation instructions of Google. So you have here two options. So you can install with a website builder or CMS, or you can install manually. But I'm going to show you how you can install it with a website builder. So you have here different platforms. So we are going to use SiteKit plugin for this tutorial. So now you can just follow these instructions right here, but I am going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can also do this one. So first, just go to your website. And from your dashboard, just go to the plugin section. So just locate it on the left side pane of your screen and hit add new plugin. Now for this section, just simply search for SiteKit, just like so, hit enter. And from the results, you need to install this one. So hit install now, and then you just need to activate it. It says right here, congratulations, the SiteKit plugin is now activated. You just need to click this start setup. Then you should be able to see the setup wizard on your screen. So you just need to click on this one and then click on this section right here and click sign in with Google. So now you just need to click on to your Google account and then hit continue. Just need to make sure that all of this are permitted. You just need to grant all of these permissions for this to work. So SiteKit is a official plugin site of Google, so don't worry because it will be completely safe, and hit continue on your bottom of the screen. And then on this process right here, you need to verify all of that. So have Google Verify Site Worship. So to verify that you own the website, Google adds verification token to your site's HTML code, and you need to verify it. For the second one, turn on your metrics on your dashboard or in your dashboard. So to show metrics in your SiteKit dashboard, you just need to allow your website to access your Google account data. You can review or revoke access for your website again in your SiteKit settings at any time. Allow it. Then also for this one, to see how people find your site in Google search, have Google add your website to Search Console for you and connect it to SiteKit. Set up it. And then for the last part, to understand how visitors find and use your SiteKit, have SiteKit add Maroon or your website to Google Analytics for you, and then hit next. After that, you just need to select the account that you want to set up. For the property, just select the property that you have created earlier, and then it will automatically select your web data stream for you. Now, after doing all of that, you just need to click this complete setup button right here. And then that's it. That is the process of adding Google Analytics in WordPress. So it says right here, congrats on completing the setup for Analytics. So once you scroll down on the section right here, you will see that all of these elements says that gathering data. It might take time for you to be able to see your data on this Google Analytics on your WordPress. You just need to be patient with it. So first on the section right here, you should be able to see the visitors for your website, the traffic for your website, so the total impressions, total clicks, unique visitors from your search, and you can also see how your content is doing. So you can see the top search queries for your website, the top content over the last 28 days, and so on. So that's it for this tutorial. That is how you can add Google Analytics to your WordPress. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.